भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय। Now I would like to call our director Dr. Ajay Kumar sir to come near the podium and say some words of wisdom.
Congratulations everyone, every citizen of this country and every student of this Technion fraternity on the 77th occasion of our Republic Day. This Republic Day is not a simple Republic Day. We have to uphold the sacrifices which has been made by our great leaders to achieve this independence, and then we have given ourselves, each one of us, the Constitution of India to be everybody to bloom, every caste, creed, irrespective of their races and everything, they will bloom under the umbrella of this Indian Constitution. It's a great day, it's a great democracy, and it's been 77 years, so on, and we have pledged this next 25 years or so that we will be able to achieve a developed nation status. So hopefully all the students, all the students of Technion, every fraternity over here, they are making their all-out efforts to make this thing happen again, to make the India great again, just like we have seen MAGA and Cyprus to make the American great again. This will talk about the Trump. Similar over here, we have to make the India great again. सोने की चिड़िया जिसको कहा जाता था पहले, तो हम सोने की चिड़िया की जो बात करते हैं, आने वाले 22-20 साल जो रहते हैं हमारे पास, उसमें हमें अच्छे काम करने और अच्छे मुकाम को हासिल करना है, ताकि हम जिस भी दायित्व में काम कर रहे हैं, चाहे कोई एक छोटा समाज के अंदर एक गेट कीपर है, चाहे आप सिक्योरिटी गार्ड है, अपना काम जो भी काम आपको दिया गया लगन से करो, ये समझ के करो हम अपने काम जो कर रहे हैं देश के ऊपर समर्पित होकर काम कर रहे हैं, और इस काम से हमारे देश के नागरिक और हमारा देश गौरवान्वित होगा, लाभान्वित होगा और हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. So every one of you are doing their duty diligently. I hope this trend should continue and with more zeal and more fervency. May God bless you all and give you strength to be brave and save our nation and make our great nation rise and rise and rise. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call our Dean, Dr. M.N. Shah, sir, to come near the podium and say some words of wisdom.
Namaskar, Suprata. Happy 76th Republic Day. This is a great moment for us. This is a time when we are trying to rejuvenate our Indian knowledge system, Indian knowledge tradition. So it is a matter to remind you all that we Indians are believed to be the first republic of the world, Vaisali. Vaisali was the first republic of the world. So we feel proud. So again, we are celebrating in the new form the Republic Day, 76th Republic Day. This is the symbol of that we not merely have the executive head, anyone can become the executive head of the country, but Republic ensures anyone can become the head of the nation. The great opportunity, the time to promise to ourselves, to the country, that we need to take the country forward with the help of the treasury what we have in the form of Indian knowledge system. We must feel proud, and especially to the students, it's your days, your future you need to promise to the country, to the world, because the world is looking towards you all, that what new development you are coming with. Once again, happy Republic Day, happy 76th Republic Day. Thank you. Vande, 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 Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki. धन्यवाद.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. चलिए अब इवेंट को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. एंड नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल ऋषभ एंड शिवा फ्रॉम रुतबा म्यूजिक सोसाइटी टू प्रेजेंट अ पेट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग.
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है. ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे. ऐ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आँख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू.
Now I'd like to call ELC Club to take the voters pledge.
Happy Republic Day to everyone. This is the time to take the pledge and everybody will repeat after me. We, the citizen of India, having abiding faith, in democracy, hereby pledge, to uphold the democratic, traditions of our country, and the dignity of, free, fair, and peaceful elections, and to vote in, every election, fearlessly, and without being influenced, by considerations, of religion, race, caste, community, language, or any inducement. Thank you.
And India, which was not only free but also clean and developed. Mahatma Gandhi secured freedom for Mother India. Now it is our duty to serve Mother India by keeping the country neat and clean. I take this pledge that I will remain committed towards cleanliness and devote time for this. I will devote 100 hours per year, that is 2 hours per week, to volunteer work for cleanliness. I will neither litter nor not let other litter. I will initiate the guest for cleanliness with myself, my family, my locality, my village, and my workplace. I believe that countries of the world that appear clean are so because their citizens don't indulge in littering, nor do they allow. With this firm belief, I will propagate the message of Swachh Bharat Mission in village and town. I will encourage 100 other people to take this pledge which I am taking today. I will endeavor to make them devote their 100 hours for cleanliness. I am confident that every step I take towards cleanliness will help in making my country clean. Thank you.
नमस्कार सभी को। मैं प्रथम सिटी लिटरेरी क्लब के तौर से आप सभी के समक्ष कुछ पंक्तियां प्रस्तुत करने जाऊंगा आज गणतंत्र दिवस के अवसर पर, जो कुछ इस प्रकार है। स्वर्णिम भारत की यात्रा पर विरासत और विकास का संगम है। हमारी धरोहर, हमारी ताकत, भारत की एकता और अखंडता का प्रमाण है। वेदों और उपनिषदों की भूमि, गुरु नानक और कबीर की वाणी, ताजमहल और लाल किले की गरिमा हमारी संस्कृति की अमिट छाप है। विकास की राह पर बढ़ते कदम, स्वच्छ भारत और डिजिटल इंडिया का सपना, हमारी युवा शक्ति, हमारी आशा, भारत के उज्जवल भविष्य का आधार है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, स्वर्णिम भारत की विरासत और विकास के संगम से हमारा भारत महान बनेगा, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Pratham, for this wonderful performance. Now I request the students of Technical Club, Asmi Soni, Nikhil Patel and Dev Mohan Sharma, kindly come forward and tell our students and dignitaries that how to register for Har Ghar Tiranga Abhiyan.
Today, I, Asmi, along with my mates, Nikhil and Dev, is here to present a very special initiative that is close to every Indian heart, Har Ghar Tiranga. This campaign is not only the initiative, but a way of heartfelt tribute to our nation, fostering patriotism and unity among everyone.
The Har Ghar Tiranga initiative is a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to celebrate 75 years of Indian independence. Launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, this campaign encourages every citizen to hoist the national flag at their home, workplace and institutions. It aims to connect every Indian emotionally with the Tiranga and instill a sense of pride and responsibility towards our nation.
The vision behind the initiative, University in Diversity. This is to unite all the individuals from different states, religion and cultures under the same national flag that we all share. Patriotism and ownership. Encouraging students to feel proud of their nation and the flag and its achievements. A digital revolution. With hashtags like hashtag Har Ghar Tiranga, the initiative has gained significant momentum online, connecting youth to the spirit of independence.
Now, how to register for Har Ghar Tiranga? Visit the official website of harghartiranga.com. Click on a pin a flag option, allow access to your location, and then upload a selfie with the Tiranga or just pin the Tiranga at your location virtually. Share your participation on social media with the hashtag Har Ghar Tiranga.
The benefits of participating in hashtag Har Ghar Tiranga. Sense of national pride. Hosting the flag at home or virtually pinning it at your location, it connects you with your independence. Awareness and education. It promotes the knowledge about the importance of our national flag, its history, its value, and again, its achievements. Youth engagement. Motivates students and young citizens to take an active role in celebrating our nation's pride. Community building. The camping strengthens the bond among citizens by promoting inclusivity and patriotism.
Good morning, Director Sir, Dean Sir, all my friends, colleagues, and my dear students. One thing which we remember seeing the flag, ये मैं सिर्फ एक लाइन गाने की यहाँ पे प्रस्तुत करूँगी. आज़ादी हक भी है अपना, अपनी जिम्मेदारी भी, संभल के हमको करनी होगी इसकी पहरेदारी भी. In every moment of our life, there is a freedom which has been given to us from it starts from our family, then the society we reside in, then the college institution we are associated with. There the freedom has to be taken in a positive way, and we have to proceed towards the development that will be leading from the society, from the family, then to the institution, and then to the nation will be contributing to. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you.
देश 76वां गणतंत्र दिवस मना रहा है और इस उपलक्ष्य में देशवासियों को मैं हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं. आने वाले 25 साल विकसित भारत के नाम होने चाहिए और हमारे को हर वर्ग को, हर विषय पे, हर जगह हम आगे प्रेरणादायक स्रोत बन पाएँ और समाज में एक उदाहरण पेश करें जिससे हम देश को एक सम्मानजनक स्थिति में एक डेवलप्ड नेशन की कगार में लेके जा सकें. We aspire that every citizen will be able to do his work collegially, diligently, and doing their duty diligently to achieve the developed nation status for the institute and the country. देश के अंदर खुशहाली बनी रहे, हर तरफ हरियाली हो, हर तरफ अमन चैन हो, देश के हर नागरिक को स्वतंत्रता मिले, आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा मिले और देश विकसित भारत की कतार में आगे खड़ा हो, अग्रणी नेशन में खड़ा हो और हर देश का हर नागरिक समृद्ध हो, स्वस्थ हो और स्वच्छंद वातावरण में भाग ले सके और खेलों की स्पर्धा में और हर जगह नई ऊंचाइयों को छुए. ऐसी कामना है और जो हमें संविधान दिया गया है इसकी हम मान सम्मान बढ़ाएं, इज्जत रखें और हम अपने सारे साथ में जो भी हमारे देशवासी हैं उन देशवासियों को साथ में लेके चलें. किसी में भी कोई भेदभाव, प्रतिस्पर्धा उस तरह से ना हो जो विचार वैमनस्य की स्थिति उत्पन्न करे. बस सबको मिल के यूनिटी के साथ आगे बढ़ना है और देश को अग्रणी कतार में खड़ा करना है. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
76वां गणतंत्र दिवस पर सभी देशवासियों को, हमारे विद्यार्थियों को, हमारे संस्था के सारे कर्मचारियों, शिक्षकों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. यह दिन बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. इसी दिन 1950 में हमारा देश संविधान को अंगीकार किया था. वी हैड एडॉप्टेड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया ऑन 26 जनवरी 1950 and proudly we declared ourselves a Republic of India. On this day, it becomes duty of all the citizens, especially when we talk about our students and the faculty members and all the employees of the institutions. They need to take oath that they will make the country proud and transit the country forward, keeping the Indian knowledge system in view, because the era is very, very important for the wisdom and knowledge. Only those countries, only those society can survive further and excel who are pushing forward and depending on various types of the latest knowledge. We are having opportunity to amalgamate the knowledge what we have since last 10,000 and 12,000 years in the form of Vedas, Ramayana, Gita, and many other scriptures. Once, this is my personal advice to all the students, pick certain portion of the IKS, the knowledge system, and take oath on this day that they will further research on, adopt all those knowledge, because all those knowledge are very, very apt for the various problems being faced by different countries and society. At last, I once again congratulate all my countrymen, all my students and faculty, happy 76th Republic Day. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।